See, in this question, it is given that in a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. And these boxes contain varying number of mangoes. So, following was this distribution of the mangoes according to the number of boxes. So, number of mangoes are given in the form of classes, and number of boxes are given. That will be Fi, isn't it? Now, you must have observed one thing here. Here classes are not continuous. See, 52, 53, 55 and 56. Okay. So there is a gap of one number in each of the class. See, 58, 59, 61 and 62. So what we will do, first we will make these classes continuous. For that we should find how much difference is there in these. So 53 minus 52, 1, isn't it? Divide by 2, that will be 0.5. So this 0.5 you should subtract from the lower limit of each class, and you should add in upper limit of the each class. So new classes you will get 49.5. 50 minus 0.5 will give 49.5. Then 50, 52 plus 0.5 will give 52.5. This will be 52.5, 55.5. Then 55.5, so 58.5, 58.5, sorry, yes, 58.5, then 61.5, 61.5, then 64.5. Okay, and related Fi frequency is given 15, 110, 135, 115 and 25. So for what we should do, we'll find Xi, that is class mark. So to find class mark from these classes, okay, what we can write here? See, 52.5 minus 49.5 divide by 2. So difference is 3. 3 by 2 means 1.5. Okay. So this 1.5 you should add in each of the lower class to get class mark. Okay. So 49.5 plus 1.5 will give 51, isn't it? So first one will be 51. Then 52.5 plus 1.5 will give 54. Now I always told that Xi follows one pattern here. So for the two observation you got, see, 51, 54, there is a difference of 3. That means next number, next class mark you can write by adding 3. So 57, isn't it? Then 57 plus 3, 60. 60 plus 3, that will give 63. Now see, we have direct method, assume in method, step deviation method. For direct method you should multiply these two columns. Values are very big, calculation will be tough, isn't it? So what we will do, we will use step deviation method. That means Ui we will find here. And what is Ui? Ui is Xi minus A by H. Okay, Xi minus A by H. So for that I told you, before this we should assume one mean, and that will be our A. So out of the class mark, see, 5 observations are there. So third value you can select as small a, isn't it? Because above this value 2 observation, below this 2 observations, so this is the middle value of the class mark. Now in front, how will you write Ui using the trick? 50 in front of this you can write 0, then starting from -1, -2, and below +1, +2. This you can verify by using this formula. Okay, you will get these values only. Now last column will be FIUI. Okay, so now this column and this column FIUI. So minus 30 will come first value, minus 110, 135 into 0 will be 0. This will give 115, 25 to the 50. Now find total here. Now this number of mangoes is also not given, so we should find some sigma fi also in this case. Okay, so see here, 115 minus 110 means 5, 50 plus 5 means 55, minus 30 will be 25, plus 25. Okay, and what will be f5? That 2 and 400 will come. Okay, so 425, assume mean is A. So this is sigma fi, this is sigma fiui. So we can write by step division method, or by directly also formula you can write x bar, that is mean will be A plus sigma fiui divided by sigma fi into h. So A is 57 plus this is 25, sigma fi is 400, h is, see, 52.5 minus 49.5 is 3. So what we can write here, 57 plus, see, 25 8s are 200 we know, so this will be 25 16s are. So 3 by 16 we will get here. So this we can cancel, 16 ones are you can write, then you will be left with 14, so 16 8s are 128, then so on. So 57 plus 0.18, that will give 57.18.